Removing black background. In today's video, you are going to learn how to remove black background in Alight Motion. So let's get started. Go to the Alight Motion and for example, you have a video or a picture that appears black in the background. Now you have to change their background. You will just have to click on the option here. Here you will click on this option, and after clicking on that option you will see a lot of options. From here you will click the option effect and then you will click on add effect. After clicking on add effect you will select the option that says move or transform. From here you will click on the move and transform, and then the chroma key will appear. From the chroma key, you will be able to get the different screens, for example, green screen, blue screen, standard settings. Now you will choose the color accordingly, and that's how your background will be changed. That's all. Thanks for watching.